Welcome to this tutorial on how to write a case study. A case study is a document that tells the story of a particular problem, its resolution, and its results. It is used in different industries such as business, healthcare, and marketing. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of writing a great case study that will impress your audience. The first step is to choose a subject for your case study. This could be a client, a project, a campaign, or an event. It's important to choose a subject that will be interesting and relevant to your audience. Make sure that the subject you choose aligns with your business goals and objectives. The second step is to define the problem you are trying to solve and set a clear objective. This will help you to stay focused and ensure that your case study is relevant to your audience. The objective should be specific, measurable, and achievable within a set time frame. The next step is to conduct research and gather information about your case study subject. This could include interviews with your clients, stakeholders, or employees, data analysis, and review of relevant documents. This step is crucial as it will help you to identify the key factors that contributed to the success of your case study. Once you have gathered all the necessary information, it's time to start writing your case study. A well-written case study should include the following sections. The introduction should introduce your case study subject and provide some background information about the problem you are trying to solve. The methodology should explain the research methodology you use to gather information and data for your case study. The results should present the results of your research and explain how they helped you to achieve your objectives. The conclusion should summarize the key points of your case study and provide some insights into the lessons learned and future recommendations. The final step is to edit and proofread your case study. Make sure that your case study is well structured, easy to read, and free from grammar and spelling mistakes. It's always a good idea to have someone else review your case study before publishing it. Writing a case study can be challenging, but by following these steps, you can create a great case study that will impress your audience. Remember to choose a relevant subject, define the problem and set a clear objective, conduct research and gather information, write your case study, and edit and proofread it. Thank you for watching.